friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new biscuit video. And today's video we are going to review the Lotus Biscoff. So this is Biscoff from Lotus, which is a caramelized biscuit here from Lotus. It is an international brand, and today we are going to review this product. So let's get down to the review of the Lotus Biscoff. So guys, Lotus has been into the baking industry making biscuits since 1932, and this is the original Lotus Biscoff, which is the original caramelized biscuit, which is still available. It has been available for decades right now, and it is still available in the market, but very rarely to be found in normal supermarkets. But you do get it available online on these major retailers like Big Basket, Amazon, Grofers, etc. They do have the Lotus Biscoff available with them. So today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with a review. The first thing that we can notice that it comes in a simple packaging, simple plastic packaging here, and on top of that it has a Lotus branding right here. So there's a Lotus branding that says since 1932, and then the product name here is Biscoff, and these are small snack packs of 8 snack packs of 2 biscuits each. It says small biscuit, unique tastes. It's at 124 gram net weight, so the net weight of this package is 124 grams. And Lotus Biscoff is priced at rupees 149. So this packet of biscuit is priced at rupees 149, which is quite expensive to honestly say. But the price is high because this is an imported biscuit, right? It's not an Indian biscuit. It's not manufactured in India. It is imported to India, and hence the prices are so high because of the import duties levied on it. So yeah, moving on to the shelf life of the product. The shelf life is 1 year. So the Lotus Biscoff has a shelf life for 1 year, which is good. Then the ingredients are like any other biscuit, is made out of wheat flour, sugar, vegetable oils, candy sugar syrup, raising agents, soya flour and salt, and a dash of cinnamon is added to it. The energy that it provides per 100 gram is 481 kcals, which is quite high. One biscuit is 7.75 grams, and the fat content is around 19 grams. So let's go ahead and unpack this biscuit, and let's see how does the Lotus Biscoff taste. So here we'll quickly open it up, and when we open it we can see that there are individual small snack packs here of 2 biscuits each. We have 8 snack packs available in this packet here. So these are very nicely packed, individually packed up into the bigger packet. So there are 2 biscuits each here of the Lotus Biscoff. You can see that. Here you can see the Lotus Biscoff branding right on the inner pack as well. And then they are mentioned the expiry date and the packaging date as well here. So they come in these individual packets. So which is what I like. Like there's nothing like you need to open the whole packet and then the biscuit gets soft. These come individually packed into smaller snack packs, which you can choose to have as many as you like. Just open them and enjoy it. So you don't need to open all the packets. You just enjoy as many packets as you require. So here we are just going to quickly open this up and look at the biscuit. So here we go. We have opened the packet. So guys, this is the Lotus Biscoff. It has a Lotus branding right on the biscuit itself here. The biscuit is very nicely baked, you can see that. And it has these grooves made at the back, and it has a rough texture to it. A nice design on it, you can see that. So this is a Lotus Biscoff, guys. It is brown in color, perfect, baked to perfection, and it's a plain biscuit. So we are going to do a taste test of it because it is a caramelized biscuit. Let's go ahead and taste it out. let's see how does the Lotus Biscoff taste. Is it worth 149 rupees? So here goes the Lotus Biscoff taste test. It has a sweet caramel taste. I first thought that it would taste like any other glucose biscuit, but definitely tastes very different. It has that sweet caramel taste to it, which I'm liking it. Very crunchy and nice. Very well baked. It has a dash of cinnamon. You don't feel the flavor so much, but you feel a little bit of cinnamon in it. Very nice. That dash of cinnamon gives it a very different taste, and it's a good thing. Like, if the cinnamon starts overpowering the caramelized flavor, then I don't think the taste would be that good. But this is very nice. A dash of cinnamon is added in it. More of the taste of the caramelized sugar in it. Very nice. So overall, I like the taste of the biscuit. The packaging is nicely done. Like, they are packaged individual biscuits in packs of 2. So smaller packs of 2 are there, so that you are not wasting the biscuit by opening all of them. So that's a good thing. Overall, I would definitely rate it 4 on 5. Just deducting a rating because of the price of the biscuit right now in India. In India, the price of this biscuit is rupees 149 for a packet of 124 grams, which is quite high. Very, very high compared to what we get in the product. If this biscuit were priced at rupees 30-35, this would be an amazing deal. But at 149, it's fucking damn expensive. You don't buy a biscuit for 149 that tastes like a glucose biscuit with some caramel on it. So yeah, like, overall taste is good, but pricing is something which is not worth it. It just doesn't make it worth. So I don't think I'll be buying the Lotus Biscoff again. This was just one time I wanted to try and see what does this biscuit have, why is it so expensive. And after I buy it, I came to know that it is imported, hence the price is so high. So yes guys, this was my review. I like the biscuit. It's tasty. If you all think it's worth 149 rupees, you can go ahead and buy it. The link to the biscuit is in my description below. So go ahead and buy it if you all want to try out the Lotus Biscoff. And if you all like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.